No.
Okay, well, I'm starting the video now.
Watch this. Boom.
Okay, let's go. Let's build a boat. Basically what me and Mr. Craze here today is Jay. I'll have his channel in the description, even though he's not gonna gain a single sub from this.
Yeah, and I don't upload, so you know it's.
But we're gonna try to we're gonna build a boat, like the title of the game, and then get to the end. Basically, that's our entire challenge. Because I'm the only one here who's won, man. I have a king's crown. So I feel like this is the ideal boat. Crap, I've already messed up. You know, I'll go with it.
This is
I'll
great.
go
Let's
with
go.
it.
Let's go. We're starting. We're starting. Let's go.
Hold on, we gotta put it out on the seats.
Oh,
Put down your seat. Put down your seat.
Okay, menu. Wait, how does it go? Oh, it's this one. Okay. Okay. Chair. Boom.
I know what to make this better. There, now it's penis.
Wait, I have an idea. I have a brilliant idea. Watch this.
What is it?
Boom.
Bro, that's so epic. And I'll put that on top. actually, I know what I'll do.
Let's do this. Okay,
There.
Up there.
Dang. Okay. Okay, you ready? Wait,
Okay,
how do
yeah,
I
let's do
click
this.
that? Ready? Let's go. Let's launch. Let's go. No. Jay.
No, I'm so hot, bro.
Jay, run. You can still survive. You can still survive if you get on this. No.
Funny. Look who's dying now.
Jay.
Look who's dying now, bro. This
Jay,
chain shot's
no.
too strong. I'm out, bro. I'm out.
Jay.
I'm winning.
There's no way. We out here winning. We out here straight winning.
I am just incredible, you know.
Dude, I can't believe you're still alive. What the hell? Unfair.
I'm just so great.
Bruh, you're just floating.
Yo, I lost my head.
Oh, you lost your body, mate.
Oh, no, it's still going though. See the the thing. What did I get? What is that?
What? I think you got like
Wait.
coins. You got like coins or whatever. It's not like.
Hold on, I'm a load rat.
What do you mean?
This slot is empty. No, it's not.
Yeah.
It's two.
Have you made something before?
Loading boat.
I feel like we should try making something actually kinda good. Okay, let's do this. Our prize. You put a cannon on it.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
you
very
ready?
tactical.
I don't think we're attached to each other, man. You, by the way, you can steer. You can steer.
Ow.
Ow. Well, look. Oh no, your motor behind me, dude.
Cut your head off.
Dude, look to the left.
Hey yo.
Bro, your motor is going psycho.
360s.
Oh, dude, do you know how I'd be? Dude, your cannon do be lighting some fire.
Like fire in the water.
Dude, yeah.
Okay, I gotta face forward so my block saves me.
Oh, dude, look at this. Look at the cannon. This is gonna be so epic. I'm gonna light it off. Actually, no, I'll light it off when there's a very big no. Dude, I'm about to pass you.
Oh.
Hey, bro. I got the most powerful block blocking my feet. Dude, I'm gonna survive. You take the hits here. You take the hits.
Oh.
I got you. I'm cradling you.
I lost my turning ability.
Dude, I'm cradling.
I really just said ability.
Oh crap.
I'm so genius.
I'm just cradling. Oh crap. That was a bad idea.
Who will win?
Not me. That's it.
You're gonna die?
No, I'm gonna shoot you.
Oh, no.
I tried.
Okay, I'm fine.
Fortnite. You don't have any arms, man.
Yeah, I know. Armless gaming, you know.
Harmless gaming, bro. Same. Oh crap, this is bad for me.
This is very bad for me.
Oh crap, I got pushed actually. That's really
I'm
good.
dead here.
No, you're not. You're good. Wait, turn. Make it so that the block is.
Oh,
Yeah, turn with WASD.
I can't. I think. I
Oh,
lost
you don't
my
have your
arm.
motor. Haha.
I don't have my arms.
Look behind you, bro. I can just taunt you. Hey, look who's gonna die. Don't worry, I'll save you with my footrest.
Okay.
Oh, dude, you're actually pretty safe. Actually, never mind. Okay.
How am I so safe?
We're actually pretty safe from the cards, but we're not safe from the balls and crap. Oh, you're almost dead, dude. You're. I feel like you've changed some heritage of yours. Oh, dude, get on! Get on! No! Dude.
No.
Dude, I'll share my screen. Oh, wait, I'm about to die. Oh, crap, I died. Okay, well.
I have a diamond thing now.
Wait, you do? Okay, show it. Show it. I need to see it, please. Mama. Mama. Mama Milky.
Good.
Let me open that page.
No, I want to open it.
Let's go! I don't think I got anything for that. Let's build a boat. Like what the name suggests. All my hard work.
Trust me. Big brain idea right here.
Okay, what is it?
Come up here. Oh my god!
Yeah, that guy's zooming. What are you making?
Let's build a gigantic platform.
Really? Okay. Actually, yeah, that is a good idea. And we put like strong blocks on the outside, but weak blocks on the inside.
Well, how do I know what's strong and what's weak?
I know what they are. Don't worry.
Wait, why don't we just make like gigantic batting rams, you know? And then on the inside we have like our little platform.
Oh, dude, like a giant wall. We make a giant wall.
Yeah. And then we have our little 3x3.
Like this. Let's make this where it's like a giant platform, and then like the outer parts of it are like our two cannons, bro. This is our like.
I'm gonna put my gaming chair down.
Yeah, gaming chair, bro. Gaming chair. Yeah. Okay, let's do this.
That's.
Wait, what? Is there something under it?
no.
Oh, that's because the trapdoor was open. Dude, look at this. I can off-center us. Oh, dude, we can turn now. I think. Or not. If we're in the way, if gears are in the way, then we'll take them out with it. We only have 2 left.
Doing really well.
Nice. Maybe this won't be a shitty video.
Probably still will be.
Yeah. Get 1 view for my ma. Bruh, I love your video.
Yo, how is our platform so strong?
I don't know, cause I use like the most powerful blocks for the front. Okay, crap, this is not good. Wait, hold on, hold A.
A.
Oh, dude, together we can turn.
Hey, yo.
Turn right. Hey, I don't think that's right. I think we're upside down, Jay. Oh, let's go. A 360.
How do I jump? I want to jump.
Jay, you can only turn. You turn. You can
can't
control it. Oh, never mind. Okay, we can't. We both can't. Okay, crap. I'm gonna.
It's okay. Our boat will stay intact.
Okay,
Trust.
crap. Our cannon is useless. Okay, crap.
I built the pillars on the side just in case. You see?
Oh, dude, my hair's gone. Crap. I'm bald. Wait, you're dead.
No.
Jay. I'm still alive.
See, here's the problem.
Bruh. Dude, I'm getting nailed.
Imagine.
Imagine we make it. Imagine. We make. Oh, crap. We're not gonna make it, Jay. Look at my screen.
I don't see your screen.
Am I sharing it? Well, Jay.
Oh. Yeah. Explain that on the pink.
Yeah. Okay, I think we're ready.
You think?
Yeah, I think. Okay.
Okay.
I'm recording, thank God. That would have been like 30 minutes down the drain. Dude, you can just like barely see me.
I'm just decorating.
I see how many trapdoors you've put. Whoa, dude, your trapdoor is wigging out. Okay, we got this.
What is it?
What? Oh, get in.
Motor.
Get in. Get in.
I'm gonna put my egg in the front. This is.
Oh yeah, the sacred egg. The sacred egg. Let's go.
I bet you don't even have an egg.
I don't. You ready?
Yeah. Yes.
It's actually floating. Let's go. And the torches are sticking out, so it makes it terrible.
No, it makes it so much better.
I got a DM on Discord. Hold on. Oh, SA. Shut the fuck up about the word epic. It's not goddamn 2017, and I can see why you like raccoons, because you relate to them, since you're both trashy rodents.
Who said that?
Walking torch. No, I'm in my free insult server.
Oh, okay. As long as it's your free insult server, you know.
I asked for it. I mean, dude, look at the way we're facing it. We're facing the wrong way.
No, I feel like that's fine. Cause if anyone's dying, it's me.
Hey, yeah, that's so true. I can like go out and walk around then. Dude, look at all these chests.
Why won't my motor work? Stupid.
Oh no! Why? My one viewer. Okay. Dude,
that
that's
just
crazy.
Happens to be your mother.
Yeah. Bro. Dude, my mom doesn't even watch my videos. It's all my dad. It's so sad.
Dang.
At least he tells me he does. Yeah. You don't have any videos. Sucks to suck.
Well, I still have more subscribers than you, so that's all that matters.
Okay, we're not here to make fun of each other.
We're here to win.
We're here to win. Let's go, Jay. You're popping off. Dude, you're popping off.
My thing's just kind of ramming into things. The X is gone. Alright, no, I'm screwed. Just jump off now.
No. Don't jump off. We want this video to end sooner.
Ah!
That's why I made the lining on top. I'm smart.
Hey yo.
Hey yo.
Hey yo.
Hey yo. Hey yo.
That A kind of saved us.
The ass. That ass though.
Yeah.
I thought it was funny.
It was alright.
It was alright.
I'm stuck in 360 mode.
Bro, that's kind of hot.
Oh, yummy.
What? Oh, okay. I was like, wait, what?
What did Pico talking about?
Dude, that's kind of lit.
Oh, train! No!
Hit it
no!
if you lit. Oh, you're not dead. How? Dude, you're built different.
I am.
Dude, why do I keep getting messages? Fuck.
Don't worry, we're gonna win.
I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look at my Discord. I'm too invested into the story. Wait, if I launch this boat, it'll destroy yours. So I'm not gonna. When you respawn,
Yeah, you really should.
Yeah, you'll see mine, and it's gonna be gorgeous.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't make me die to popcorn.
Oh
Please,
yeah. Let's go, Jay.
Wait, is that even popcorn? Why is there?
There's guns. They're shooting at you, dude. The U.S. is trying to take you down. Oh, by the way, if you get inside of that, you get epic prize.
Instead of what? The cannon?
You get an epic prize. Know that. Where you gonna fall in right now?
I don't think I got an epic prize.
Well.
Hey, yo!
Oh, bro, you survived? No. Okay, thank God. Because I'm gonna end the video here. Jay died. Haha, what a loser.
No, I didn't. I'm fine. See?
This is the end. Say something. Say your final remarks.
Two trucks having sex. Two trucks having sex. My muscles involuntarily flex. Two trucks having sex. Two trucks. trucks having sex. My muscles, involuntarily flex. Two pickup trucks making love, American made, built for tough, too beautiful. Murder machines, American angels in the sky. Grown men cry. Two trucks having sex. Oh yes. Two trucks having sex. Oh yes. My muscles, involuntarily flex. Two trucks having sex. Oh yes. Two trucks having sex. Oh yes. My muscles, involuntarily flex. Right by my side, there's CZ Top and Robert Zadar from Maniac Cop 1, 2, and 3. This barbecue could bring you to your knees, and so could these two trucks. Two trucks holding hands. Two trucks holding hands. The passion is more than I can withstand.